Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are about to start putting up some of our roof trusses. So we're still working on exterior sheathing, but we want to get the roof trusses on and make as much progress as we can to getting it dried in so that we can prepare for the weather that's coming. So that's what they're doing right now, is they are getting ready to strap up the first truss, and then they'll lift it up into place with the boom truck and we'll get it nailed in and start placing trusses. So some exciting stuff happening. We're making some good progress, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the roof trusses. So, if you guys can't see, the wind just picked up, and this storm, there's a storm over this way. Oops, there's some lightning. It's mostly missing us. We're just catching the edge of it. According to the radar, we might just get a little bit of rain, but we're going to do some bracing and take a pause. That's the tail end of the storm here. Most of it you can't really see behind this house, but the wind is really picking up, so we're going to do some bracing and hope it doesn't do damage. Okay, so we survived that storm that just came through. Thankfully, we just caught the edge of it, so it was really quick. It's still sprinkling just a tad right now, but the sun is out and the wind has stopped, so it's a good thing that that storm moved north of us. So we're back out here. We're trying to do some cleanup, try and get some of the water off the deck, and move forward with some bracing and blocking and nailing in that first truss. And yeah, riding our bicycle too. So hopefully we don't have too much storm. Yeah, you ran into the stool. You got to go backwards. And then you can go over that way so you don't run into the stool. Keep turning. Good job. So hopefully we don't get any more storms tonight. I know that we might get some rain tomorrow. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hence why we're trying to put up our trusses and get our roof deck on along with the rest of our wall sheathing so we can get all dried in.